Have you ever pondered the significance of owning a reliable, compact body camera? In a world where capturing the moment can make all the difference, a device that can record high-quality videos on the go becomes a necessity, not a luxury. Enter the WAKERUG Mini Body Camera, the compact solution to your recording needs. The WAKERUG Mini Body Camera is a marvel of modern technology, equipped with 1080p high-definition video capabilities. This ensures that every frame captured is crystal clear, providing the viewer with an immersive experience as if they were there when it was captured. Whether you're capturing a momentous event or documenting a routine inspection, the clarity of the footage will leave no room for ambiguity. But what good is high-quality footage if there's nowhere to store it? Thankfully, the WAKERUG Mini Body Camera has you covered with its impressive 64 gigabytes of storage capacity. That's enough space to store hours of high-definition footage, ensuring you never run out of room when it matters most. Now, let's not forget about the camera's compact design. Its sleek, lightweight body makes it a breeze to carry around, whether you're on a vigorous assignment or simply taking a leisure stroll. Despite its size, the camera is sturdy and shockproof, ready to withstand the hustle and bustle of daily life. But the WAKERUG Mini Body Camera isn't just about functionality. It's also about convenience and ease of use. With its intuitive controls and straightforward interface, you can start recording at a moment's notice, never missing a beat. In conclusion, the WAKERUG Mini Body Camera is more than just a recording device. It's a reliable companion that ensures every moment is captured in the highest quality possible. So why wait? Make the WAKERUG Mini Body Camera your go-to device for all your recording needs. Experience the difference today. Share the love and find yourself safe with a body camera to suit at acticams.com, or just follow the link to find yourself safe on a daily basis, or just capture your journey.